Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start now. Sign into your personal Facebook account and keep the page URL or exact page name handy. Make sure you already have or can obtain an admin role. Without admin access, you cannot link or manage a page. Once signed in on desktop, open the page you want to connect and keep another browser tab for your main account settings. This saves time and prevents role confusion. It also ensures you can follow the next steps immediately. Now add or accept admin access. On the page, open Settings and choose Page Roles. If the page exists under another account, ask that page owner to add your personal account as an admin by entering your name or email and assigning admin role. If you're claiming an unclaimed page, select Claim Page or Request Admin. Once the invite is sent, switch back to your Personal Account tab, accept the page role invitation from notifications, and verify you finish by confirming the link. Visit Page Roles and ensure your personal profile appears as admin. This makes the page effectively linked to your account. If you manage ads or pixels, add the page to Business Manager for centralized control. If you don't see the invite, make sure notifications are enabled, clear browser cache, and try a different browser. If problems persist, ask the current page owner to remove and re-invite you. That one re-invite usually resolves permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.